Remember when she told me I should travel more? Now she message come home whenever I'm abroad. Let's have it right. Knocks the hot, let's check the Fahrenheit. So only makes sense they put the man in ice. A few new things, new chains, new rings, a new wallet cause my other joint was too thin. I make it profit like a puppet cause I move strings. Now that's a puppeteer. Bro, who fucking cares? Waited for a couple years trying to let my peers flourish, but they ain't hold the flame to nuts and I'm just being honest. New song but they ain't no one that I hear running. Got them all like Trump covering their ears from it. For me they throw a fist of power while they in the shower, eyes closed with that iPhone trying to get louder. I heard your man them close the tabs and they quit the browser. Yo, but navigating through the scene is really like a maze. I know she liking what she sees, she tryna ride the wave. Tryna bring my family through this thing, I'm kinda like the Waynes. But Knox is the rock, I'm kinda like the Wayne.